Coffee lovers know there's something special about making coffee the traditional Italian way. This Bialetti Moka Express offers exactly that. A classic, stovetop espresso experience that brings Italy's rich coffee culture right into your kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned barista or a coffee enthusiast, this iconic Moka Pot allows you to brew rich, flavorful espresso effortlessly. But is it truly the best way to make authentic Italian coffee? In this review, we'll dive deep into the features, performance, and what makes the Bialetti Moka Express stand out among other coffee makers. Let's explore why this beautifully designed espresso maker, with its distinct aluminum body and ergonomic handle, remains a favorite in households around the globe. Why choose the Bialetti Moka Express? The Bialetti Moka Express isn't just a coffee maker, it's a piece of history. Invented in 1933 by Alfonso Bialetti, this stovetop espresso maker quickly became a symbol of Italian coffee culture. The iconic design, with its gentleman with a mustache on the side, is instantly recognizable. Made entirely in Italy, it's not just a coffee maker, but a testament to Bialetti's dedication to quality and craftsmanship. One of the best features of the Bialetti Moka Express is its simplicity. You don't need to be an expert to make a delicious cup of espresso. The process is straightforward. 1. Fill the boiler. Pour water into the base, just up to the safety valve. This valve ensures there's no risk of overpressurizing, making it safe and easy to use. 2. Add the coffee. Fill the funnel with finely ground coffee, but don't press it down. This allows the steam to flow through evenly, extracting the rich flavors. 3. Assemble and heat. Place the pot on the stove, and within minutes, you'll hear the satisfying gurgle that signals your espresso is ready. The gentle bubbling sound is music to any coffee lover's ears. And 4. Enjoy. Once the brewing is complete, remove it from the heat and pour your espresso. You can serve it in espresso cups or larger mugs if you prefer a stronger brew. With this easy-to-follow method, anyone can master the art of making authentic espresso at home, giving you cafe-quality coffee without the need for expensive machines or complicated setups. Unlike electric machines that can sometimes make the coffee too bitter or watery, the Bialetti Moka Express delivers a consistently rich and smooth espresso. The flavor is bold but balanced, with just the right amount of bitterness that a true espresso should have. Thanks to the unique design, the pressure created during brewing extracts the oils from the coffee grounds, giving you a deep, complex flavor. For those who appreciate the finer details of coffee, the Bialetti provides a level of control over your brew that electric machines just can't match. You can experiment with different types of beans, grind sizes, and amounts to find your perfect cup. Made from durable aluminum, the Bialetti Moka Express is built to last. The robust design ensures that it can withstand the high heat of daily use, and with proper care, it can last for years, even decades. Many households still use their Moka pots from the 1950s. The ergonomic handle makes it easy to grip, and the patented safety valve adds an extra layer of protection. You won't have to worry about overpressurizing or difficult cleaning. In fact, cleaning is as simple as rinsing with water after each use. There's no need for detergents, which can affect the flavor of your coffee. However, it's important to note that the Moka Pot shouldn't be placed in the dishwasher, as it could damage the aluminum and affect the quality of future brews. The Bialetti Moka Express comes in various sizes, from the 1-cup model to the 12-cup version, giving you options depending on how much coffee you need. The 6-cup version is ideal for making multiple espresso shots, perfect for entertaining guests or getting through a busy morning. Another benefit is that the Moka Pot is suitable for all types of stovetops, including gas, electric, and induction, with the Bialetti induction adapter plate. This makes it a versatile option for any kitchen setup. Unlike electric coffee machines, the Bialetti Moka Express requires no filters, pods, or electricity, making it an eco-friendly choice. You won't need to buy paper filters or disposable coffee pods, reducing waste and saving money in the long run. Plus, it's incredibly affordable compared to high-end espresso machines, yet still delivers that authentic coffee experience that many crave. Is the Bialetti Moka Express right for you? If you're someone who appreciates tradition, loves rich and flavorful espresso, and enjoys the process of making coffee, the Bialetti Moka Express is the perfect choice. It's simple enough for beginners, yet delivers the quality that seasoned coffee lovers demand. The fact that it's made in Italy and remains a staple in homes around the world only adds to its allure. Sure, there are more modern coffee makers with one-touch buttons and flashy features, but the Bialetti Moka Express offers something they can't: a sense of craftsmanship, tradition, and timeless design. It's not just about making coffee, it's about making real Italian coffee. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.